To create a new project in BLDON, click on the Create button and enter the name of the project. The project name is essential because it uniquely identifies the job within BLDON. Next, assign the estimator and reviewer. The estimator and reviewer fields define responsibility and accountability for the project. Then fill in the customer details, bid date, project status, and any additional description if required. The customer name identifies who the estimate is being prepared for. The bid date represents the deadline by which the estimate must be submitted. Status indicates the current stage of the estimate, such as draft, in progress, submitted, or approved. Click on Create. Your project will be successfully created and ready for the next steps in the estimation process. Now, click the project name to open its details. To upload project drawings in BLDON, click on the Plans option and select New File. Choose the drawing files you want to upload from your system, and once the upload is complete, the plans will be added to the project. Click on the View Plans option to open the uploaded drawings. From here, you can navigate between pages, zoom in and out, and prepare the plans for scale setup and takeoff. So once the plans are uploaded, we click on a plan. When the page opens, we are ready to build assemblies and start the takeoff. We click on Create, and the system will automatically create it for us. We just select an identifier, then select Next. To set scale, click on Scale button on bottom right and click on Apply on the predefined scale. In the next session, let's see how to do linear art area and count takeoffs.